Candy. Hey, guess what? So candy is this huge industry. People are always trying to come up with new ideas. Well, guess what? We got some ideas. We got some ideas of our own. In fact, these are some of the worst ideas you've ever heard of, and we created them with the power of AI. So here we go. These are 10 awful AI candy mashups. Let's get started.
Number 10.
Number 10, we're gonna combine Rolo
with lifesavers
to make lifesavers. Yay! Ugh. I think they'd be horrible.
That's just lifesavers.
Lifesavers. Yeah, here's another one that I made with AI.
It looks like he's like.
And it couldn't come up with lifesavers. I don't know why it couldn't, but there you go. It's Rolo's lifesavers.
Savers.
So what do you think these would taste like? Think they'd be yummy? Wrapped in chocolate and filled with caramel and crunchy, hard candy.
I'm gonna say no.
Well, guess what? I decided to go ahead and come up with a little jingle for you. So
You're about to say, and we have them right here. You're like, but we have it right. That's what we're like.
Okay.
Chocolate smooth. And a crunchy snap. Why in the world did I eat this crap?
Yeah, I got the lyrics right there.
Low lifesavers, and without a doubt,
The song they sing it, the way they spell it, it's three.
I need to find a place to spit this out. But you ain't.
Wonderful.
Number 9.
Okay, number 9. Do you remember those little wax bottles filled with juice? Those little things you could get? Okay, so we're gonna combine those with
Twix.
and it is going to form the power of twix.
Wax.
Ew. Yeah, that's what happens. What do you think that would taste like? A wax-coated Twix bar? How about this one? T-wax.
Looks like a piece of butter. Yeah.
Waxy, yummy, chocolatey, T-wax.
That sounds like a medication.
Talk to your doctor if T-wax is for you.
I just feel like the cracker with the chocolate and the wax is just gross. Because then you have to like pick the wax out of your mouth.
And the tagline is, "E ovarki, there's Wushberg."
Number 8.
Okay, we're moving on to number 8. Number 8 is a combination, a very special mashup, just very near and dear to my heart. It's a Milky Way chocolate bar.
With starburst.
Milky Way and Starburst combine forces to become Milky Burst.
Without an eye.
Yeah, Milky Burst. It's I don't know, man. I don't know. You said something like maybe this could taste like what now?
Chocolate covered strawberry.
But Starburst inside a chocolate?
It might be good because like the chocolate on the outside would like melt in your mouth, but the starburst is still like, because they're like harder candies, you know what I mean? I feel like I would eat that.
Okay. Well, I can find something that's going to be really nasty. You just hang in there. I've got some winners here. You just sit tight.
Number 7.
All right, number 7. We are combining a Three Musketeers bar with
Sour Patch Kids.
and it becomes 3 Sour Patch Kids.
That's not even that bad. I
Still.
mean, like, if there was a shelf of candy in front of me, I don't think I would go and grab that one.
But think about that flavor of the Sour Patch Kid with chocolate.
With chocolate. That would, I feel like that wouldn't be bad. It would like counteract each other. I don't think it would be good.
Sour Musketeers, Sour Kids 3.
Why is the
with
T
AI.
like not like
Sour Musketeers? Woo! 3. If you loved Musketeers 1 and Musketeers 2 this summer.
Sour Musketeers, Sour Kids 3.
Number 6.
Don't ruin the movie.
We've got this wonderful, delicious confectionery combination. It's Reese's peanut butter cups combined with
Jolly Ranchers
to form the amazing, the delicious Reese's peanut butter Jolly Ranchers. I think it's awesome. Hey, you know what?
No, how do you even eat that? Like break your teeth.
Listen, let's just
And,
listen
like-
to the theme song real quick.
Do you crave something sweet or a little bit nutty? Well, we've got a treat for you there, buddy. Some might say it's a flavor crime, but I really think you should try it sometime. Reese's Peanut Butter Jolly Ranchers, Reese's Peanut Butter Jolly Ranchers, Reese's Peanut Butter Jolly Ranchers. We shouldn't have, but we did.
Peanut butter peely?
I don't know. Maybe you peel it open to bite into the crunchy Jolly Rancher inside. Yeah.
A chandy.
A chandy recipe.
The recipe.
What do you think that would taste like? It'd be chocolatey with the fruit again, but like hard candy in the center.
Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Yeah, it's a no for me, dog.
Let's move on.
Hey, this video, by the way, is sponsored by Animink. And speaking of mashups, we might be a great fit for your business. So at Animink, we are exceptional at e-commerce development. We work extensively with multiple platforms, including WooCommerce, Shopify, Magento, BigCommerce, OS Commerce, Amazon Web Store development, and a host of other platforms. I'll include links to some of the e-commerce sites we've developed in the description. Definitely check them out. Our mobile-first approach helps users shop with ease. Meanwhile, we enhance our e-commerce websites with critical shopping cart features like specialized promo codes, abandoned carts, and cross-selling. Animink also boosts your platform's functionality with our expertly developed plugins and payment gateway integrations for every platform available. We also integrate with FedEx, UPS, Shipstation, Stamps.com, Worldship, you name it. On top of that, we seamlessly connect your online stores with your ERP system. From Quickbooks to custom solutions like Odoo, we ensure that your store communicates effectively with your bookkeeping software. And you'll always have a point of contact for any and all ongoing support. It's why we've been here for over 25 years. All right, guys, let's get back to our top 5. These are like the awfulest of the awful. So here we go. Yeah, that's a word.
Okay.
Number 5.
All right, guys, number 5. We have combined Twix once again, but this time with
Twizzlers.
combining forces to form twizzlers. They also wanted to call it Twizzix. I can just imagine the flavor of biting into that yummy licorice with the chocolate oozing out of it. But you think about Twix, right? Twix is not just chocolate, it's chocolate, caramel, and then the little crunchy thing in the bottom. Yeah, so you imagine biting into that with like a Twizzler. I don't know. Not my thing, not my jam.
Number 4.
Okay, number 4. Number 4 is awesome combination that I think actually might not be the worst thing ever, but I had to do it because the name was just hilarious. So we're gonna combine M&ms
With milk duds.
and it's gonna form M&Duds. M&Duds.
That sounds so good.
It just rolls off the tongue. Just M&Duds. Here's another look at M&Duds with the little M&Dudes. It's the dudes from. It's like an M&Dudes. M&Dudes.
That looks good. I would eat those.
Look at-
I personally love milk duds.
Look. You can drink M&Ms too. They've got a new soda. Man, I'd go for some M&Duds.
It's like already chocolate. Caramel.
I think that could work.
I would eat it.
Yeah.
Ava would eat it.
I would eat it.
I would eat it.
Number 3.
All right, number 3. This one is sure to be a people pleaser. It's going to be gummy bears combined with,
Butterfingers.
and they're going to combine to form Gummy Finger. You
I
know,
don't like Butterfingers.
oh, I love Butterfinger. So I like Butterfinger.
You just like bite it and it's like boom, it just explodes.
The gummy bears will hold all of that in this time. So when you go to bite into it, all the pieces
That's how
will
that
just stick
works.
into your mouth all in once.
That's like double stuck in your teeth, bro. I
mean-
feel like you bite down, you're like,
And you wouldn't be able to get your teeth back.
I think this one's ready for the store. I think the logo's ready. Like, you got the little mascots there hanging out. They're like holding the candy bar, like, eat us, eat us. Gummy finger. In the gute Gaut, aus Gernein Proteinem. Gummy finger. He's the bestest. Oh, and here's another look at Gummy finger. That's another version of Gummy finger. That's the travel size. Yeah, there's gummy bears in it. It's Gummy finger. Gummy finger.
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's gross.
Gummy finger. All right, one more look at Gummy finger.
No, I think I don't want to look.
Mashung.
Mahjong.
Mashung. Mashung. Mashung.
I'm tired of you
Number
calling me babe.
two.
And please quit touching me.
All right, number two. Number two is absolutely delicious. I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful flavor combination. We're going to combine Kit Kat.
With sweet tarts.
Kit Kat with sweet tarts combine forces to form Kit Tarts.
I like the font.
Yeah.
I actually like that. Looks like beautiful
like an
on the
ad.
inside.
I know, it looks
that.
pretty legit.
Yeah.
Kit Tarts. I love Kit Kat, by the way. I love a
Wait,
Kit
but
Kat.
what kind of sweet tart? There's like a billion, like the little chewy.
But I like this at the bottom. Like, it's like
Yeah.
a Kit Kat bar filled with sweet tart.
That is cool.
It looks cool. I don't know
But
how
does it taste cool?
I just farted.
All right. Hey, before we get to number one, I had a bonus candy that I thought of. I wanted to share this because to me this one doesn't really fit in our top 10. It's an outlier. This is a combination of raisinets.
And nerds.
Ooh, what does that make? Raisiners. So raisinets are chocolate covered raisins. That does not even look like nerds. Those look like jelly beans. Hold on. Is that the right one? Oh, there we go. Now we're talking.
I don't think I would.
I feel like I wouldn't eat it, but like I feel like it wouldn't be too awful. Yeah.
Chocolate covered soft raisins with hard crunchy nerds all like, oh, you know what? That's like a nerd rope though. I made something yummy by accident. I was
It's
going
like a
for
healthier
horrible.
version.
No.
Raisin nerds. That's what the nerd mom and dad do.
What?
Yeah,
They raise their nerds.
They're raisin nerds.
Nerds.
Number one.
All right, we have finally made it to number one, the numero uno. This is my number one favorite. I think it's quite the combination. It's gonna be Snickers and
Skittles.
Snickers and Skittles join forces to form Snittles.
Sounds like a cuss word.
Snittles. Stomp my toes, Snittles.
Or like you would name your dog that and you'd be like, Snittles.
Snittles! Here's another look at another Snittles bag. Kind of looks more like the Skittles brand bag. What do you think this would taste like? Just imagine that.
But can you taste the rainbow?
You're definitely going to be tasting a chocolatey rainbow. Ooh.
A really gross rainbow.
I ain't never had brown in the rainbow.
So I do wonder, like, I really wonder what Snittles would taste like. With the sweet and the chocolate, like, would it be good or would it be awful? I don't know. What do you think?
No, I think it would be gross.
Oh, well, we should find out.
No, please.
Look what I got! Snickers and Skittles. So this is our opportunity to put our money where our mouth is. So yeah, I've got Snickers and Skittles right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to the Snittles theme song and we're gonna have some Snittles ourselves. Not only have we created a brand new candy with a brand new jingle, we get to do some taste testing with Snittles.
I hate both of these candies.
Chocolate and caramel, peanuts galore. Mixed with fruity bits, what candy store? It's crunchy, chewy, all in a bite. A taste so wrong, it just feels right. Some might cringe, some might cheer, but Snittles are here, let's give a cheer. Snittles, Snittles, Snittles.
Not too shabby, actually. Better than I expected. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and you can check out more great content on this YouTube channel. Leave us your thoughts in the comments. Check out animink.com. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Snittles, 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 Snittles. Snittles, 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 Snittles.
Hey guys.
And